Hello, my name is David Reed, and in this short video we are going to look at some visual aids, three in particular. Those three are large mouse cursor, highlight mouse cursor, and a highlight text caret. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you switch all three of these on, and next I'm going to show you how you personalize these and how they might be effective when navigating a Chromebook. So first of all, we go down to our profile button, which we can click down here, and then we can see our accessibility tools, or accessibility menu right here. So for the purpose of this, we're going to make sure that three tools are switched on. That is highlight mouse cursor, which is switched on, highlight text caret, which is switched on, and large mouse cursor, which is already switched on. I use all three of these all the time because they just make it easier to navigate a Chromebook. What we need to do though, when we switch them on, you can see that my cursor is larger than normal. It's also green, and you can see the little red ring around it too. But what you might want to do, you might want to personalize that, so you can go back into accessibility settings as well. And you will come up with this menu. For today and for this video, it's going to be cursor and touchpad settings. So this is what we see when we access the cursor and touchpad settings. You see you can toggle the mouse cursor off and on, and you can see the difference straight away. But if you don't like the default size, you can actually make this larger or smaller on this little scale. So you can actually increase it a little bit or quite a lot, depending on your preference. You can also change the color of the cursor. There's not many colors to choose from, but it's just a personal preference. Some learners might see other colors better, so that might be a preference for them. I just have a personal preference of green, which is fine. And then we see the highlight mouse cursor as well. You can turn it off and on here as well. So you can see that my cursor, my green cursor, doesn't have that little red ring around it. Before pupils go exploring or learners go exploring, you can't change the color of the red ring. It's just by default, it's red, and it fades away when you're not using the touchpad. So that's how we've turned all of those settings on. The last one I just want to show you, because the large mouse cursor and the highlight mouse cursor is very visual there, but the highlight text caret is another tool that just allows you a bit of support when you're typing. So where you're typing, whether it be in the Omnibox or the Google search bar, you'll see that when I click, a blue ring comes around where my text caret is, which is this little flashing line where the user, myself, is ready to input text. So when you click on anywhere, this is really useful for a Google Doc when you're word processing and your text caret is in the middle of text. If you click somewhere, the little blue ring will show you exactly where the text caret is. So that was just covering some visual aids, which was large mouse cursor, highlight mouse cursor, and highlight text caret. I hope that was useful. Thank you very much.